Some big letters appeared this weekend on Mays Island in Cedar Rapids. That's where Iowa's news now. Weather First meteorologist Grayson Freund is. What's going on out there?
Yeah, Netta, we're down here in downtown Cedar Rapids at the new Cedar Rapids sign that is right in front of the courthouse. And we did just have, looked like a tour group come through, and you can see there's people in the background taking some selfies with it. So it seems like people are enjoying it so far. Speaking of enjoying, we have a pretty nice day out here right now. We have a mix of sun and clouds. You can see that over our Cedar Rapids sky cam right downtown over Pickle Palace. It's feeling a little bit warm though and toasty. We did have some rain showers move through eastern Iowa this morning. We have a few kind of lingering showers moving through right now, kind of towards Monticello and Cedar Rapids, but looks like that activity is kind of starting to fizzle out. Temperatures right now are sitting pretty warm already in the 70s and 80s, 81 here in Cedar Rapids, 83 in Iowa City, 83 in Tama, and only 73 up in Olwine, so a little bit more comfortable up there. We have dew points sitting not too far behind in the 60s and 70s. And so take it from me, it's definitely feeling a little bit toasty out here right now, and that's going to be the story as we head through the day and really throughout the rest of this week. We have winds right now coming in fairly light, around 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the south, and as we head through the day today, we'll continue to have this mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures will top out in the mid and upper 80s. We could see a few isolated showers and thunderstorms develop as we head throughout this afternoon and into this evening. Some of those storms could have the potential to become strong, producing some hail and gusty winds, but that takes us to tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be a lot of the same compared to today. We'll still have a little bit of that mix of sun and clouds around. Temperatures will rise into those mid and upper 80s, but we'll be keeping an eye on specifically tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening, where we do have a higher potential to see some strong storms. We have a level 1 out of 5 risk on the scale covering most of the viewing area, and then a level 2 there in yellow. So those are going to be areas south of Interstate 80 and west of I-380. Again, similar to today, those storms could produce some gusty winds and some large hail as well. So timing everything out for you, could have a few of those pop-up showers as we head throughout the rest of the day today. Then as we head into tonight, we'll likely have more of that scattered activity come through, and into early tomorrow. Same thing for tomorrow. It's kind of going to be like a broken record over the next few days. Could have some scattered showers move through, but we'll be keeping a close eye on specifically tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening, where we do have that higher storm potential. Then as we head into Wednesday, we'll have a low pressure system move through and a front will drop, and that will lead to some more widespread activity through the day. And so pretty much from Wednesday morning to Wednesday evening is when we're going to have those rain and storm chances. But the higher trend for storms is going to be just southeast of the viewing area. As far as dew points go, we're going to be hanging out in the upper and mid 60s throughout the next 5 days. So we're going to have temperatures continuing to build, humidity will be continuing to build, and so overall it's just going to be a very summer-like feel here as we head throughout the rest of this week. So for the next few days, we have rain and storm chances between tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday. A little bit cooler once that system does pass through on Wednesday, keeping us with a high around 80 degrees. By Thursday, we start to dry things out and warm things up even more with temperatures in the 90s for the end of the week and into the upcoming weekend.